What is up, investors? Jason here. So this is the first video that I'm making on Lucid Motors as a publicly traded company, ticker symbol LCID. So now that Lucid is a publicly traded company, we need to start taking this a bit more serious now, because there's going to be a lot more FUD out there on Lucid with them now actually being a publicly traded company. And I'm somebody that doesn't really like to listen to a lot of the FUD that is out there. I'm someone that likes to invest into these EV companies the moment that there is an actual catalyst there to be investing into these, getting it at the bottom. Now, my strategy with Lucid is just like my strategy was with NIO. Now, if you're somebody that is new to this channel or doesn't really know that I was invested in the NIO back in 2018, back when that stock had its IPO, I had made plenty of videos talking about that on this channel. I know I don't have a whole lot of subscribers, but I have made many videos talking about NIO back then and continue to be bullish on that stock this whole time. Now, I compare Lucid to that because here's the thing. There have been many stocks that have gone public in the EV space that are not producing any vehicles. Yet, Lucid Motors is a company that actually already has a factory made. They're expanding on that factory to actually build out even more production on it. And they're also producing vehicles right now and already going to be making deliveries. Now, there's plenty of other EV companies out there that are in the same position, like Rivian, for example, that's going to be going public here very soon. Now, the thing with Lucid, though, is they're beating Rivian to the punch here. Now, Rivian is going to have a higher valuation than Lucid Motors is. And the thing is with Lucid Motors is they have that long-range battery that beats what Tesla's doing, and it beats what Rivian is doing. So Lucid's in this category here where they're now a publicly traded EV company. They're producing vehicles. They're making really expensive luxury electric vehicles, and they're competing with companies like Lamborghini, Ferrari, Porsche, these very high-end, expensive luxury vehicles, exotic luxury vehicles, I should say. That's the market that Lucid's after. Now, they're competition to Tesla, but right now, not so much. They are a high-end electric vehicle maker. There's a lot of FUD out there already talking about the valuation of Lucid, how it makes no sense, and we're going to keep hearing that. And I'm sure there's going to be people that are going to be commenting on many of my videos talking about Lucid, because there is already a bunch of people that have been commenting on my videos for years now talking about valuations, how the valuation of Tesla doesn't make sense, the valuation of NIO doesn't make sense, the valuation of Lucid doesn't make sense. I've heard that plenty of times already. And the thing is, if the valuation doesn't make sense, then why are people buying it? Because the valuation metrics, the way that valuations make any sort of sense, is all on speculation. If we're looking at a company like Amazon, for example, where the guy who founded that company is the world's most wealthiest person, well, that entire stock is worth what it is because of speculative valuation. It trades way, 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 way more than it even makes. So the valuation of a company like Amazon makes no sense. Valuation of a company like Tesla makes no sense. The valuation of many companies out there, high growth companies, make no sense. So don't judge a company like Lucid because you don't understand it, because it's not something for you to really understand. You don't have to understand it. You can invest into it or you cannot. We all have choices here. Now, I'm not making this video to tell anybody to invest into it. I'm investing into it because, to me, it makes sense. To me, a company like Amazon makes sense. To me, Tesla makes sense. To me, NIO makes sense. To me, many of these high growth stocks out there that we buy make sense. Valuations don't make sense. Throw that out the window. Anyways, I just want to be real on this video because I think that there's not enough people out there on YouTube making videos that are being real with their audience. Now, I can talk to you guys calmly and explain this, and I hope that maybe I made some sort of sense here. And if I didn't, hey, give it a dislike. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. New videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you all in the next video coming very soon.